Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful two-piece crop top, free shirt and a palazzo pant. Okay, but in this video we're going to be focusing only on the crop top t-shirt because I have so many pant tutorial videos on my channel. So if you want to learn more about pant tutorial videos, I have videos on it. Okay, so let's cut the crop top first. I have my fold by 2. I use my bust circumference divide by 2 plus 2 inches allowance to fold this part fabric. So now I have 2 folds like this. Then I mark my starting point, and then I'm placing my tape on a straight line. I'm going to mark the length of the top is going to be 19 inches. Then I'm going to add 2 inches allowance for the hemming line. Then next thing I'm going to do is to mark my chest line, which is my armhole point, and my pulse point, which is at 10 inches. And that's all the lines that I'll be needing. So I'm going to divide my shoulder by 2. My shoulder is 8 inches and I'm going to put it down on my chest line. I'm going to connect the lines together. So once I'm done with that, I am going to go in by 3 inches from the center line as my neck width, and I'll come down by 1 inch as my neck shoulder slope, and I'll connect the 2 lines together like so. So next I'm going to come down by 1 inches for my back neck depth, and I'm going to connect it to my neck width just like so. So for my circumference I'm going to divide my for my armhole I'm going to go up by 1 inch, then mark my armhole curve. For my circumference, I'm going to divide my bust circumference by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. So on my waist, I'm going to take the same measurement down to my waistline because I don't want the waist to be tight. So now we are done cutting. Now I am going to cut out the back piece. This is the back piece. I'm going to use this back piece to cut out the front piece. Placing my back piece on another fold, I'm going to cut it out as well. There is no zip allowance on this piece, on this style, okay? So there is no zip allowance. The back piece and the front piece are the same, they are equal. So now we have 2 pieces. I'm going to create a pattern for the front neck depth for the front piece. So for the front piece I am going to come down by 8 inches for the neck depth. If your head is big, come down by 9 inches or 10, depending on how big you are. Okay, then connect it to the width. I made sure my 8 inches is going to enter my head because there is no zip. So if you are bigger than me, if you are size 10, 12, I'm size 12. I'm size 12. So know how big your head is and how you're going to open the front piece. So I have the body here. Let's cut the sleeve. For the sleeve, I am going to fold by 2. I'm making this crop top with just 1 yard. If you are bigger than my size, you have to use 1.5 yards. Then I have my fold by 2. I am going to come down by 4 inches and then curve my armhole curve like this and take down the measurement. My armhole curve divide by 2. I have 13 here, which is more than enough. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. The armhole curve divide by 2 by 10. So I don't want a tight sleeve, so I made sure I have 10 inches as the wideness of the sleeve, and I'll connect the lines together. So I'm going to use this to cut out another piece again. So once I'm done with that, this is what we have at the end. 2 sleeves. So now for the bodies, this is what I have done so far. I have used a bias to sew the necklines. Okay, I used the bias to sew the necklines. This is the back piece as well, and then join the hemming line. Okay, I used that 2 inches allowance I had to join the hemming line. So I'm going to join the two bodies, right side facing right side, like so, and I'm going to join the shoulders with 1/2 inch. And once I'm done joining the shoulders, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. After joining the shoulders, this is what we have. Okay, so I'm going to open it up to attach the sleeve. I went ahead to use a bias to close down the edge of the sleeve because we want the length to be long, like the elbow length. So now, as you can see, I'm going to use my pin to pin it around the shirt. So after pinning it and joining it, my sleeve, this is what I have. Okay, I've finished joining my sleeve, and this is what I have. I'll go ahead now and trim the excesses, then join the two sides together with 1 inch. 1 inch. Oh, remember we have 2 inches allowance. Now you're going to join the two sides with 1 inch, and once you're done, you're going to see the end result. Okay, I'm cutting out the excesses from the sleeve. So I'm going to use 1 inch to join it, and once I'm done, you're going to see how beautiful it will look. So this is how beautiful it looks after joining the two sides with 1 inch. Both the sleeve, the body, everything, I used 1 inch to join it. This is the easiest. Under 30 minutes, if you are fast enough, you don't sew this top sap. Okay, so now this is how it looks on my body. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.